All right, what's going on, Edgar? So I spoke with you earlier today about your website, Chaar Cooling LLC. So on the website, it's not a bad build. The only thing is Google's looking for more content, right? So that's also why they're not ranked top. So it's a broad example layout of your website right here. Okay, now if we type in West Palm Beach AC repair, Palm Beach County AC repair, right? These guys on the top list right here. Okay, you have 1 hour air conditioning and heating. It's their services that they provide right here. Okay, 25% off, 0 down financing. Obviously, they have a contact page, which is good. Now you see how they have more things on their home page. That's what Google's looking for. Okay, so that helps you get on the top page, and that's ideally what you want, right? Let's go ahead and look at this. So look, DR is going to be their strength. DR is going to be the popularity. Okay, so they have a lot of popularity due to their ads. That's one thing. They're running their ads the right way. A lot of good backlinks. Okay, so backlinks are important. Why? Because that backlinks to the website, from other websites, that's going to give you more traffic. 41 referring domains, which is also good as well. Historical in the past at 89. They have a lot of good organic keywords, a lot of good organic traffic, and then traffic values at 5 right there. So that's good. Another top page that we have is going to be on Shoreline. Okay. Why is Shoreline good? They have a good page, good home build page, a lot of words on there as well, which is why they're ranked on the top page as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at Shoreline real quick. So Shoreline is going to be not the best website. They have good strength. They have not that good of popularity, but look at their backlinks. Okay, so their backlinks, that's important. That's good because, like I said earlier, the more backlinks that you have backlinking back to your website, the more traffic that you're going to get, the more volume. They don't have a lot of their referring domains. They don't have that many keywords, but also recently they just jumped back up. Okay, so they're kind of up in the making. Their traffic value is up there, all right? And then we have Hopkins Air Solution right here, another top page. Now it's a little outdated, but you know what? It's on the first page, which is good. They're doing something right, which means they're doing what Google's looking for. Okay, so let's go into a little bit of overview with that. That's going to be the strength, popularity, 330 backlinks, right? Look at the historical. Backlinks in the past, it's important. 34 domains, 238 organic keywords. You want those keywords to be like that for a reason. Those keywords really help out, especially when Googling AC repair, AC companies, in West Palm Beach, or AC fix, AC services, anything like that. It's going to pop up on Google. That's what you want, okay? So this is currently, let's go back to your site. This is where you're at right here. Strength, not horrible, could be better. But that popularity's not up there, right? We got to get those backlinks up there big time. Your referring domains, we got to get those back up there. We got to get some important keywords for you, organic traffic and traffic value. All right, if we can get that up and running for you, you'd be set up and you'd be good to start rocking and rolling, man. So instead of having to pay for Angie's List ads, we can do something like SEO. I'll get more into that. But first of all, I just want you to touch base with me after this video, and then I'll reach back out to you. Let me know your thoughts on it. We can go from there.